Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin taking a walk around the exterior. I'm also going to point you through some of the major talking points of both the interior and exterior on this absolutely stunning 330e M Sport saloon. The exterior of the car is presented in the Alpine white, so again a very sought after colour. Alongside that, we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that, we've added these very nice 19-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels, which are finished in the bi-colour jet black. They're all brand new with brand new tyres. And again, a point on that, a couple of people did mention this last time. We do of course stick and adhere very strongly to the BMW tyre width and of course profiles, and alongside that of course the same pressures. So with an eDrive, it is of course essential to do this for of course the economy figures stated within the fuel economy and of course the electric charge. So now that's moved out of the way, we'll head round and I'll show you the overall condition of this stunning car. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see it's a 2018 18 plate. It does have those very nice LED headlamps at the front. Of course, being the eDrive, we've got that charging point at the side of the car, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that more in depth very shortly. Also down the side of the vehicle, you'll see the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. Over the top of the car, you'll see that optional extra glass sunroof. Again, a very sought after optional extra. Moving on down the side of the car, I'm going to show you that we simply push this opens up and of course can be connected to a 3-pin connector like the one we have in the boot, which of course will come and accompany the car, or of course the outside charging pods that you now find, or the outside service station chargers, which again will require a secondary cable. Of course can be purchased from BMW. Moving on inside the vehicle, this vehicle comes with the lovely red Dakota leather, which in the front comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. As you can see, they're all in fantastic condition and being lit very nicely by that glass sunroof being slid all the way open. It does come with a 7-speed automatic gearbox, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about that very shortly. Showing you around the rear of this car, you'll see there it's got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, a central folding armrest, and a very nice darkened M Sport headliner in the midst of that glass sunroof. And although of course we've got some batteries on board and an electric motor, rear passenger compartment is not affected in any way. Heading round towards the rear of the car, of course there's those very nice eDrive motifs on the rear quarter. We've got a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a high gloss rear diffuser. And I'll open up the boot, which is of course an area where we find our 3-pin socket connector for the charging. And if you do want to know a little bit more in depth, I will leave a link to our full review of the F33 eDrive for you, should appear in the top right hand corner, as well as down in the description for you as well to take a look at, where I do go a lot more in depth in terms of charging and of course owning one of these fantastic cars. We've got this split folding seat option on this vehicle, and everything in there is as clean and tidy as you would expect. Moving around to the other side of the car, again the Alpine white really does suit anything within the BMW range, and again with all the additions made, certainly looks the absolute part. And again, everything is lovely and clean and tidy, and especially mixed with that coral red Dakota leather really does work very nicely. And we're now going to move on. I'm going to go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just run you through a few of the features and functions of this eDrive. First of all, we're meted by the very nice BMW business navigation and media screen. I'm going to start the car up, and yeah, that's started. I know that's a little bit funny to get used to. However, the car is now engaged and ready to go. And we're currently just set in automatic mode, and that's something again in our other full review video that we do go a bit more in depth in. However, I'll show you those modes. So of course you get automatic, where the car will take care and control of itself between the 2-litre petrol engine and of course the electric batteries and the electric motor. We've got max eDrive, again all needs to be fully charged to utilise that, and of course save mode, where it will just use the petrol engine. On this lovely BMW business navigation and media screen, we'll run through a couple of the features and functions. Of course, we've got satellite navigation with real-time traffic updates. We've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, USB and AUX inputs. And we've also got Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. Down here is where we'll find our dual climate control, along with our switches for our heated seats. However, the seats are not the only thing to be heated in this lovely car. If we have a look down here, you can see here illuminated is the button for the heated M Sport steering wheel, alongside the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. The vehicle itself's covered just over 47,000 miles and does come with full BMW service history as well. along with the full connected drive system as well, to give us access to online search, news and weather apps. So if I click into engine oil, you can see there it's not due a service for 13,000 miles. And up at the top is all of our service history, right from the first service, including a pre-delivery inspection service. And we've also got the most recent, which was carried out at 39,835, and that was for a full service, including the spark plugs, which is of course fantastic news for any potential next owner of the car, because of course it means the next service is just a very basic oil and oil filter change. So thank you for taking the time to watch the walk around video of this 330e eDrive we have here for you at your next car. Hopefully you found it useful. And for further information, remember guys, I will of course leave the link for that full walk around review of the car that was very similarly sold here very recently, alongside a link to our website and of course direct contact details for us here at your next car. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you soon. Take care and goodbye.